Hello and welcome to Lean Excel Solutions. Today we will learn to create this fully interactive sales distribution dashboard in Power BI. Addition to this, we will learn to change the complete theme of the dashboard by just one click. Here I have provided options to select the dark or light theme. We are going to do it in following steps. First, import the data to Power BI, that is data sheets. Second, edit it in Power Query Editor to prepare the primary database. Third, create visuals. Fourth, format the visuals and dashboard background. And the last and most important, change the dashboard theme by one click. You can directly go to any steps by clicking on the chapters provided in the description. Similar dashboard with same input sheets is designed in Microsoft Excel too. If you are interested to learn it in Excel, you can click here, or the link is provided in the description. So, let's start with the first step. These are the input sheets. First, input data, which has sales data. Second, target sheet, which has monthly sales target. And the last, customer sheet, which has customer's location. So let's open new Power BI report and import the input sheets to it. Here are the sheets imported to Power Query Editor. Now, let's add few column in input data. First, actual column, that is sales value, which is multiplication of unit price and quantity. Now, add week number and month with respect to date column. Let's extract first 3 characters of the month. Change the actual column type to integer and click close and apply. So, the data is uploaded. Let's check the model. Alright. It has already detected the relationship automatically. We need not to do anything here. Let's go back to Report tab to add visuals. First, slicer for the month. Change it to horizontal. Next, card for total sales. Add slicer for region. Add line and stack column chart for monthly sales and target. Area chart for weekly sales trend. Let's add multi-row card for top 3 customer. Use filters for selecting top 3 customers based on total sales value. Now, clustered bar chart for product-wise sales. Then, Donut chart for region-wise sales. And last, map for country. So all visuals are added. Let's format the visuals and background. I will do this formatting portion little quick with faster speed to save the time. If you wish to watch it slowly, you can adjust the playback speed in the setting. Let's format this one. Use the Format Painter to apply the same changes for others. Change the titles. Now, let's organize these visuals properly and do some basic formatting, like fonts type, size, colors, etc. Let's sort it as per month order. But before that, we have to sort in the data first. Select the month name and sort it as per month column. Now, we can sort it here. Let's sort this slicer too, as per month order. Okay, this slicer is linked with input data table, and we have not sorted it in data as per month order. So, let's repeat the sorting step here too. Now, it is as per month order. Let's complete the header portion, like title, background, icons, etc. Add rectangle shape and send it back. We will discuss it later why we have added this shape. Insert icon and logo. For the time being, remove fill color of this shape. Alright, the dashboard is ready now. Let's go for the last step, that is formatting the themes. First, let's create one table for the theme, within the Power BI only. So the table is added here. Let's add the theme column to Slicer, and format it. Now, let's create few measures for theme color. Like these colors or color codes, we will use for formatting the dark and light theme. Let's put it in the formula like this. So the measure is added here. Copy the formula for the next measure. Add new measure, paste it and change the name and color codes in it. So, with the similar way, these measures are added here as per the list. Let's keep the single selection on, for the theme slicer. Now, let's apply the conditional formatting for title of this visual using the measure we created. Go to Title, change font color to white, and for background select this function sign here. It will open new window. Under Format Style, select Field Value, and then choose an appropriate measure, and click OK. Here we can see, the title background changes to this color. Let's change few other titles quickly. So, here we can see the demo that how title color is changing based on the theme selection slicer. Let's complete the remaining formatting for the background as well for the fonts. Here again, I will do it in faster speed to save the time. Okay, so at some places you will not find the option to select the conditional formatting, like in item color of the slicer here. In that case, we will choose one common color, which will be suitable for both dark and light theme. For monthly slicer also, we will apply common color. Let's change the heading font to white. Here for page background also, we don't have option to conditional formatting selection. So first, add the shape as a background, and then apply formatting to it. So this way, we can change the complete theme by selecting Theme Slicer. But the heading color is not looking good with the light theme, so let's apply formatting to the shape that we added earlier. And at last, let's apply color formatting for the bars of monthly sales, like above the target green color and below target red. Create one measure for it and apply to bar and for total sales too. Let's complete the remaining formatting. Now, let's edit interaction to break the linkage between few visuals, and the dashboard is ready. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching.